Hello children, my name is Nanny. Today we begin our first class of general knowledge and first chapter is My Family. You know very well what is family? Yes, my family is a group of people who are related to each other, right? Everyone have family, you also have a family, I have a family, right? So family means your father, mother, uncle, aunt, your elder brother, younger sister, your siblings. Mean when they all are live under one roof, it is called a family. Right, family can be of two types, joint family or nuclear family. Joint family means when uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother are living with you. It is called joint family. Nuclear family when only your parents or your brother or sister are living in under one house, mean they are live in a house, then it is nuclear family. Nuclear family is a small family, joint family is a large family. Now we begin our first introduction page about our family. You have to write about your family. Okay, now we start reading it. We all think that we know a lot about our family. Everybody knows about your family. You also know about your family, your father name, mother name, their likes, dislikes, everything you know about it. Now we start with a question. What is the first question? Fill in the blanks. I live in a dash family. Joint or nuclear? Which family do you live? Joint or nuclear? I told you what is joint. When grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt living with you, it means you have a joint family. Nuclear family, only your father, mother and your brother or sister, your siblings. If they are living with you, then it is a nuclear family. Nuclear is a small family and joint is a big family. Now you can see how many members in your family who is living with you. Okay, then you have to write only one, joint or nuclear. Now next question. My father is dash profession. You have to write your father's profession, what your father do. Okay, if he is a teacher, you have to write teacher. If he is a businessman, you have to write businessman. You have to write the profession, what your father do. My mother is dash. You have to write her profession also, what your mother do. If your mother is a teacher, you have to write a teacher. If your mother is your housewife, write it housewife. Mean if she is not doing outside, she looking your home, then you have to write housewife. If your mother is a doctor, write it doctor. Okay, according to your mother profession, you have to write it here, what your mother do. My brother is dash than me. Older means बड़ा, कि वो आपसे, how my brother is older than me. Younger mean अगर आपसे वो छोटा है तो. My sister is dash than me. Older or younger. If you don't have your brother, mean no brother, keep it dash. No need to write it. Okay, my sister is dash than me. Older or younger. You have to write it. If you do not have your sister, so keep it dash. Now next question. The best thing my father likes about me. What your father likes about you. You have to write it. The next question, best thing my mother likes about me. What your mother likes about you. You have to write it here. The best thing I like about my family. What you like about your family. Write it here. Next question, the fruits most of my family like are. What your family like, which the fruit most. Like if your family like apple, write it apple. Banana, you can write any of the fruit which mostly liked by your family members. Okay, you have to ask everyone and whichever they have the most common, you have to write it there. The vegetable most of my family likes are, you have to write their vegetables. The television programs of my family member would like to watches. Okay, you have to write the program name which most of my family members like. The news channels are liked by. You have to write it, the news channel name which is most of my family members like, right? The cartoon channels are liked by, and what is your favorite cartoon channel, you have to write it here. Okay, then birthdays of my family members, you have to write birthdays of your family members. Write your mother birthday, father's birthday. If you have any sibling, to write their siblings birthday. Okay, so this is the introduction page about your family. You have to write it your own. Okay, and for few things you have to ask to your parents and then write it. Clear? Then see, it is written, maternal relation is the relation with the members of one mother's family. Okay, when you have a relation, when you have any relation with the mother's family, means with the mother's like nanny house, so this is called maternal relation. Okay, and paternal relation is with the members of one's father family. If any members from the ones of your father's family, it is called paternal relation. So underline it, paternal relation and maternal relation. Any member of your mother's side, mean nannies, like your mama, uncle, mommy, auntie, these relations are called maternal relations. And from father's side, like chacha, chachi, like uncle, aunt, these are called paternal relation. Okay, now you understand. So we have completed our page number 4. Now come to page number 5. On page number 5, you see the chapter name is Plant Secrets. Right. Here in this page we will learn about or study about the plants. What are the secrets of the plants? Now see the first page. All of us know the importance of plants in this living world. The plants and trees not only give us food, shelter, clothes, but also help us stay healthy. Many of the nutrients we get from the plants products have medicinal values. It means, what do you mean by plant secret? Mean plants and trees both are very important in our life. They are very essential. So what they give us? They give us food, shelter. Shelter means many of the animals they live under the trees. They make hole in the trees and live there. Birds make nest on the tree. So these are the shelters. And clothes, but also help us to stay healthy. It gives us fruits also, many nutrients, medicinal leaves, so many things we get it from the trees, right? Now there are some pictures given in this page and hints are given. With the hint of this, you have to identify which plant is this. Now look the number 1. Can you name them? Look the first picture clearly. The first is, it is a herb. It is a herb. What do you mean by herb? Herb means it is used for medicinal leaves. Mean it is used for medicine. It is used as medicine and it is a small plant. It is a holy plant for the Hindus. It is a holy plant for the Hindus. Mean this plant is cultivated for religious and medicinal purposes. If you have a sore throat, you take a juice with ginger and tea. If you have any cough or you have a problem in your throat, so what we do, you mix it with ginger and tea and make it a juice and it will help to cure. Right? So which tree is this? This tree is Tulsi. What you will write it? See the help box is given. Eucalyptus, neem, aloe vera, Tulsi. Which one is this? We will write it. Tulsi. We will write it here. Tulsi. Tulsi. Now look the next picture. Can you identify this picture? See, now we read the hints. It is a tree. What is this? It is a tree. Mean the leaves are bitter in taste. Mean they are not good in taste. They are bitter. Its juice is good for skin as they purify the blood. Its juice is very good for skin. And what their function? To purify the blood. To purify the blood. So you can tell now which tree is this. Can you name them? Can you name this tree? This tree is neem. Neem. N-E-E-M. Okay, now see the third picture. It's a long tree with silvery trunk. It's a long tree. It's a very big tree and the color of the trunk is silver. The oil made from this tree is good for toothache. When we made the oil from this tree, this is good for toothache. When you have a pain in your tooth, then it will be help to cure it. We made the oil from this. Which tree is this? Can you identify? See, now what is left? Aloe vera and eucalyptus. So answer is eucalyptus. So see the spelling, E-U-C-A-L-Y-P-T-U-S. Eucalyptus. Say with me, eucalyptus. Write it here, eucalyptus. Now come to the fourth picture. These are small plants. What are these? These are small plants. The leaves are pulpy and thorny. Means they are very sharp. They are very sharp and they are small. Kind of like cactus litters on it. Like they have some thorny. उसमें कांटे थोड़े से निकले हुए होंगे. So be careful while you touch this. They are very pulpy also. The white pulp inside the leaves is used for making beauty products like cream, soap, etc. It is little thorny, not too much, but these are very good. And when you touch and you open the leaves, now you can see the white pulp inside the leaves, making for beauty products like cream, soap, etc. So with the by white pulp inside the leaf, now you can easily identify which tree is this. Is aloe vera. Which is this? Aloe vera. Aloe-V-E-R-A. Aloe-V-E-R-A. You can see the name here. Write it, aloe vera. So can we revise four again? This one is tulsi, neem, then eucalyptus and aloe vera. Right? Now come to the B part. Can you identify these non-flowering plant? Non-flowering plant means which do not have flowers on it. They have only leaves. They do not give flowers. So these are called non-flowering plants. See, the picture is given. No hint is given. By looking these pictures only you have to identify and write the name. See, help box is again given here. Mosses, horsetails, mushrooms, fern. With the help of these, you have to identify these non-flowering plants. Now see the number 1. Can you identify which one is this? These have very small leaves. See, this is fern. This is fern. Now look the next one. See, which leaves? Can you, with the help of leaf, you can identify this non-flowering plant? See, first one we have done fern. Now these 3 are left. Mosses, horsetail, mushrooms. Yes, this is mosses. Okay, this is mosses. Now third. And this one is the fourth. Now tell me which is now horsetail and mushroom. These 2 are left. Yes, third one is horsetails. Third one is horsetail. See, it is big, so tall and very little leaves on the side. I think no leaves are there. So you can see very little leafy are there. And the next one is mushrooms. And the next one is mushrooms, which we eat it in our food also. It is a vegetable. It's vegetable. Right? This is mushroom. So we can revise it again. Number 1, fern. Second is mosses. Third is horsetail. And fourth is mushrooms. Now see the tidbit. The oldest tree in the world is a bristlecone pine. Which is the oldest tree in the world? Is bristlecone pine. Underline this and learn this. The oldest tree in the world is bristlecone pine. It is 4600 years old. It was just a sapling when the pyramids were being built and was already old when Jesus was born. Right? Now we have completed page number 5 also. This is enough for today. We have done page number 4 and 5. Page number 4 you have to do with the help of your parents. Okay, and 5 we have done. So learn it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this class.